Welcome back to Fun Facts and Funnies. Are you ready for a quick challenge that'll make you smarter in just a few minutes? Today, we've got 15 fun and tricky general knowledge questions just for you. So grab a pen, note down your answers. So here is the first question. Which planet rains diamonds? A. Venus. B. Neptune. C. Mars. D. Saturn. The correct answer is B. Neptune. Can you believe this? Scientists say the intense pressure inside Neptune can actually turn carbon into diamonds. What is the only food that never spoils? A. Cheese. B. Bread. C. Honey. D. Rice. The correct answer is C. Honey. Fun fact incoming. Honey's natural sugars and low moisture make it last forever. Even ancient jars are still good today. Who invented the telephone? A. Thomas Edison. B. Nikola Tesla. C. Alexander Graham Bell. D. Albert Einstein. The correct answer is C. Alexander Graham Bell. Here's something historic. In 1876, Bell made the first working telephone. Imagine the world without it today. What's the smallest bone in the human body? A. Femur. B. Stapes. C. Radius. D. Ulna. The correct answer is B. Stapes. Tiny but mighty. The stapes bone, found in your middle ear, is smaller than a grain of rice and helps you hear. Which animal can sleep for 3 years without eating? A. Bear. B. Turtle. C. Snail. D. Frog. The correct answer is C. Snail. Unbelievable but true. Some snails hibernate for up to 3 years to survive dry conditions without eating a bite. Which is the only bird that can fly backward? A. Sparrow. B. Hummingbird. C. Eagle. D. Parrot. The correct answer is B. Hummingbird. Now this is wild. Hummingbirds can fly backward, sideways, and even hover like a helicopter. What is the national flower of Japan? A. Rose. B. Tulip. C. Cherry blossom. D. Lotus. The correct answer is C. Cherry blossom. Beautiful, isn't it? Cherry blossoms are symbols of beauty and fresh beginnings. They bloom gloriously every spring in Japan. Which country has no rivers? A. Qatar. B. Saudi Arabia. C. Oman. D. UAE. The correct answer is B. Saudi Arabia. Hard to imagine. Saudi Arabia has no permanent rivers, only dry riverbeds called wadis. Which fruit has its seeds on the outside? A. Apple. B. Kiwi. C. Strawberry. D. Raspberry. The correct answer is C. Strawberry. Here's a juicy one. Strawberries are the only fruit with their seeds on the outside, about 200 on each one. Who was the first man to walk on the moon? A. Yuri Gagarin. B. Buzz Aldrin. C. Neil Armstrong. D. Michael Collins. The correct answer is C. Neil Armstrong. A giant leap indeed. In 1969, Armstrong made history as the first person to step onto the moon's surface. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? A. Jupiter. B. Saturn. C. Venus. D. Mars. The correct answer is D. Mars. out of this world. Mars looks red because of iron oxide, rust, covering its surface, giving it a fiery glow. What gas do plants absorb from the air? A. Oxygen. B. Hydrogen. C. Nitrogen. D. Carbon dioxide. The correct answer is D. Carbon dioxide. During photosynthesis, plants take in carbon dioxide and give us oxygen. How cool is that? Which is the largest ocean on Earth? A. Atlantic. B. Indian. C. Pacific. D. Arctic. The correct answer is C. Pacific. Vast and mighty. The Pacific Ocean covers more than 30% of Earth's surface. That's more than all land combined. Which insect has ears on its legs? A. Butterfly. B. Mosquito. C. Grasshopper. D. Ant. The correct answer is C. Grasshopper. Now that's strange. Grasshoppers have tiny ears located on their legs. Weird but totally true. How many hearts does an octopus have? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. The correct answer is C. 3. Octopus triple the love. Octopuses have 3 halves. Thanks for playing with fun facts and funnies. Don't forget to hit like, smash that subscribe button, and turn on the bell icon for your next challenge. See you in the next quiz video.